Welcome back uli sa aking YouTube channel. Okay, subs boosters, subs light. Okay, welcome YouTube tutorial. So guys, pause lang tayo guys. Okay, download na lang sa ating description, okay, or dito sa ating videos. Okay, sub booster madadaload sa Play Store, pang-promote ng YouTube guys. Open lang natin guys. Okay. Welcome back uli for today things video ulit guys. 2 videos tayo upload guys. Okay, meron tayong coins na 5,781 guys. Pili natin i-autoplay yan guys. Okay, kusa na siya magsa-subscribe guys. Ayun guys, i-promote lang natin guys yung ating videos. Okay, subscriber guys. Okay, copy lang natin yung videos sa YouTube natin, share, tapos copy guys, paste lang natin guys dito guys. Okay, add. Okay, tingnan natin kung ilan makukuha natin subscriber guys. Ayan guys, 10 subscribers, 6,000 points. Okay, check. Okay, great campaign. Okay, video duration less. Okay, tingnan natin ulit guys. 10. Ayaw guys, kailangan guys, back tayo guys. Hindi nag-play yung video guys. Copy lang muna natin guys yung videos natin sa YouTube. 4140 guys. Okay, tapos dito na tayo guys. Okay, campaign guys. Palisin muna natin siya guys. Okay, open lang ulit natin sa boosters guys. Okay. Okay, maybe later. Okay, campaign guys. Okay, plus. Okay, subscribe. Okay, add videos. Okay, I need lang na mag-open yung videos na mag-play. Antayin ba natin guys.
Ganun talagang may yung lalaki kagabi, kawan-kawan, nalaglag doon sa, yung manito, doon sa kilid. Saka ano kaya po nilagay dito? Walang hawak. Ang dumati yung mga rescue. Pero kawawa na.
Lipat lang natin ng lipat natin. Hindi. Gagawin natin, antabayan lang natin yung videos natin guys. Papos muna ako guys. Okay, resume tayo. Tingnan natin sa lights guys. Auto light lang natin guys. Auto play guys, auto light guys. Okay, auto play.
Yung paano dapat ko yung utak? Nakakatapo yun.
Guys, campaign guys. Okay, tingnan natin 10 guys. Okay, check. Okay, campaign guys. Video duration less guys. Mababa yung ating video tutorial guys. Okay, video duration less guys. Tingnan natin guys yung mga 5 subscriber. 10 lang guys. Ano lang guys, presin natin muna ulit guys. Light na lang guys yung ating i-promote guys. Okay. Okay. Subscribes and likes guys. Okay, tama-tama si subs boosters. Madadaload sa Play Store guys. Okay. Plus guys, like. Okay. Enter video link guys. Add 10. Okay. Yun natin 15 guys. Okay. 16 guys. Okay. Okay na yan guys. Edit campaign. Video duration less guys. Pa-play muna natin yung videos guys. Pause muna ako guys. So guys, create campaign lang. Basta't nag-play yung videos guys. So hanggang dito na lang ulit ang videos nito. Thanks for watching. See you next time.